Hey guys, welcome back to the Simple Maths channel. Let's discuss about a hand trick for trigonometric values. This technique will help you easily memorize trigonometric values, cutting down time and effort in real-life equations and exams. Let's take our right hand. Now degrees are taken from right to left. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. The finger that has taken 0 degrees is called the little finger. The finger taken at 30 degrees is called the ring finger. Finger taken at 45 degrees is called the middle finger. Next finger taken at 60 degrees is called the index finger. Last finger taken at 90 degrees is called the thumb. Now let's list the formulas for finding trigonometric values of sine. Sine equals root of finger right by 2. Sine 0 equals root 0 by 2 equals 0. The value comes as 0 because there are no fingers on the right side, so we put the value as 0. Sine 30 equals root 1 by 2 equals 1 by 2. The value is 1 because there is one finger on the right side. Sine 45 equals root 2 by 2 equals 1 by root 2. The value is 2 because there are two fingers on the right side. Sine 60 equals root 3 by 2. The value is 3 because there are three fingers on the right side. Sine 90 equals root 4 by 2 equals 1. The value of root 4 is 2. Therefore, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So, sine 90 value will be equal to 1. The value is 4 because there are 4 fingers on the right side. Now let's jump to cos values. Let's take our hand. Now degrees are taken from right to left. Now let's list the formulas for finding trigonometric values of cos. Cos equals root of finger left by 2. Cos 0 equals root 4 by 2 equals 1. The value comes as 4 because there are 4 fingers to the left. The value of root 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. So the value of cos 0 is equal to 1. Cos 30 equals root 3 by 2 equals root 3 by 2. The value is 3 because there are 3 fingers to the left. Cos 45 equals root 2 by 2 equals 1 by root 2. The value is 2 because there are 2 fingers to the left. Here, there are 2 fingers on either side of the theta, so the value will be equal to root 2 by 2. Furthermore, we can simplify this value. Cos 45 is equal to root 2 by root 2 times root 2. Both top and bottom values will be cancelled, so our final answer will be 1 by root 2. Cos 45 equals 1 by root 2. Cos 60 equals 1 by 2. The value is 1 as there is one finger to the left. Cos 90 equals root 0 by 2 equals 0. The value is 0 because there are 0 fingers to the left. Root 0 by 2 is just equal to 0. Now let's jump to tan. Let's list the formulas for finding trigonometric values of tan. Tan equals root of finger left by root of finger right to the degree of what we're trying to find. Here, tan 0 equals root 0 by root 4 equals 0. The value comes as 0 because there are no fingers to the left, so we put the value as 0. Tan 30 equals root 1 by root 3 equals 1 by root 3. The value is 1 because there are 1 finger to the left. Tan 45 equals root 2 by root 2 equals 1. The value is 2 because there are 2 fingers to either side. Root 2 by root 2 equals 1. Tan 60 equals root 3 by root 1 equals root 3. The value is 3 as there are 3 fingers to the left. Tan 90 equals root 4 by root 0 equals not defined. Finally, the value is 4 as there are 4 fingers to the left. The end value is undefined as we have got the result as infinity, and we cannot define infinity, therefore tan 90 is undefined. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more.